funny, cause fart noises.
When you start replying to an email.
Alright, sorry. Oh yeah, let's play the ad.
When you start replying to.
Okay. Alright, what's good, gang? It's your boy.
So what's the objective of this game?
So I think I gotta save my bitch ass son. By the way, he's White Guys for Harris. We're White Guys for Harris family. Come on, White Guys for Harris. I love me, my black presidente. They should be here somewhere.
Like, are they in the house?
Oh shit! And I got a foot?
Yeah, you have a foot.
No, I don't.
That's some booze.
Booster! Pretty cool, right?
It's fresh.
Oh, hey, bro! What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? I gotta drink some booze. It's better to explore now than like when they're more like aggressive. Oh, fucking!
It's crow. Yes.
Oh!
That's you, Brian.
Dude, can you turn off your fucking vibrator? How are we supposed to win this game if you're gonna keep fucking my ass? Oh! What was that? Did you not see that?
No, I'm turning off my vibrator.
I think I took drugs.
What if you don't like your son?
I didn't like it. I'm a white guy for Harris. I feel like the cannibals are scared of me because, you know, they see a well-built guy.
No, they see a white man for Harris.
White guy for Harris. Fuck! Got a stick. Why can't I use the metal straps, huh, bitch? Huh, bitch? Oh, because I'm a white guy for Harris. Because you don't know how to build shit, you dumbass. Oh, I did it.
You're cold and wet.
I like that last part. I'm feeling extreme. Oh, I'm in a cave. I'm in a cave.
Oh, shit.
Guys! Alright. No, please, it won't. Shit. Wait, man. Ooh, white guy for Harris.
So what do you think of Donald Trump?
I don't give a shitty.
Who's the president?
Of the United States?
Yeah.
Pretty sure it's George Bush. Trick question, actually. Alright, let's fucking go to sleep. Look, I'm running with the wood.
Go down the cave.
I will after a little bit. Just give me a minute. You want to see what's down there? It's horrible and disgusting, and it reeks of actual manure. No need for that. Oh, there's a person. We're not going.
Oh, come on.
Oh, there is a person right there. I'm not going. We have zero equipment.
Yeah, we do.
Listen here. It's Drake the Snake's dick.
We're climbing it. It must hurt.
What? Should be a guy coming up here.
Why?
Pretty sure.
Because he saw us?
Yeah.
I think he saw us.
I think there's someone in there.
Oh. So you can make a wall.
Yeah, of course you can.
But why didn't you do that?
I
you make
on everywhere you mistake. I'll keep on making.
Smash or pass, Judy Hobbs.
Joe, easy dub. Easy dub. Do you see anybody? All right.
No, I don't.
Yep. Hey! Oh my god.
Lizard skin.
And then 15 leaves.
Oh, leaves. I thought it was the fucking sap.
That's okay, dude. We all make mistakes. Yeah, fucking.
Like that one Gazelle song. No.
What are you two fucking chuds? This is actually interesting, though, right? I think things got interesting now. Don't look.
Look, I
Don't
don't
look.
look. No, look. Look. Wait, where is it?
They were there. They're right 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 there. They're right
It's a
there.
Trump supporter.
They're right there. They're right there. They're right there. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, good.
Oh, I don't even
You have
want
to go up that hill.
No,
You have to
fuck.
run up that hill. Make a deal with God.
Shut up. I'm gonna get fucked!
Wait.
Wait, what's going on?
Oh, good.
Look at all that ass. Alright, yo, we're back, by the way. I had to go jerk off real quick. Fuck it. You wanna fight me? Come here, bitch! Oh! Ben, fuck off.
Oh my god.
Come here! Oh! Dodge, you bitch! Ouch!
Let it.
Alright. It can't climb up, right? It can't climb up. Haha. Too fat.
You didn't light it!
Oh shit.
Dude, you just threw dynamite at him.
Oh yeah, you little bitch! Ice! Come here. Oh! There's these guys.
Smoking weed, sipping.
No, shut the fuck up! Seriously, don't you see the predicament we're in?
No.
Let's do one more TNT. I feel bad for that one TNT we didn't light up.
Okay, you run after this, okay?
Fire in the hole!
In my ass.
Hey buddy, hey laddie. Laddie. Hey! Back up! It can't get up. It can't get up. It can't get up. You guys want Molly? I mean, where you at? Come on. No! It's this way, right?
Yes.
Why is my energy out?
Fell.
It's a trick I learned. Oh my god!
Get out of here.
It's a trick I learned.
It's my turn on the Xbox.
Gotta be very sneaky. He can't see me if I'm like this, right? Wait.
Oh!
No. Nothing's happening.
You're gonna die.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You know what? Oh, now you guys are... Oh, come on, seriously again?
Imagine we turn on the light and it's just his face.
Yeah, his face, and he's fucking his friend. You had enough? What are you gonna do, bud?
Oh.
Alright. Okay, I think I know what we need to do.
It's the end of the series.
No, it isn't. We're just gonna go to a fucking snow mountain and fuck everybody up. Anyways, guys, we got the first suit. We got a lot of other stuff. Finally found the chainsaw, which is pretty cool. We're gonna go defeat the game, because that's what we're trying to do. As I remember, the sinkhole is this way, right? What is that?
That's a survivor.
Is it? No, it isn't. Hey, bitch! Ow! Hey, there's more, bro. There's more. Hey, bitch! I'm just trying to get my log. No, he shouldn't. He shouldn't. He's bitch! Hey, you want to do some Molotov cook?
Molotov cook.
You want some Molotov cook?
Oh, that limb. Oh my god.
Y'all better back the fuck up. I'll beat your ass. He's right there. Ben, I'm not fucking with you, Ben. Ben, I'm not fucking with you, Ben.
Oh my god.
Hey, don't roll down, don't roll down! No! No! It's really hard. It's really hard. Hey, come back, bro! Come. Oh my god! Oh shit, look! Hey, back off, bro! Oh, fuck! Back off, bro, back off! Back off, bro, back off! Hey, bro, I'm sorry, bro!
Get the gun, get the gun.
Where's the gun? I think we need a better gun. Fuck you, bitch! Oh shit.
You gotta
You gotta get closer. You gotta get closer. You gotta get closer. Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. Come here. You fucking little slut. Don't even hit him, bro. This gun sucks. You need the other one. Back off! Back off! Oh my god, oh my god. Hey, alright.
Dumb bitch. You're wasting gas.
I don't give a fuck. Hey, booster! Hey, booster! They can't kill me while I'm on crafting mode. Oh no! Oh my god, I thought you can craft. Oh, finally. Okay, it takes one. It's breaking my house. Hey!
No! Why would you do that? Did you save? Oh my god. Oh my god.
I guess we're all going out like Jays, mate.
If no one can have this house.
What are you gonna do with your friends? They're in bits! They're in bits! They're in bits! I'm done with your ass! Oh, lol, Superman, bro. Alright, right there. The hold. We're gonna make it. Oh, dude, no way! What the fuck is that? Alright, wait, I gotta put the rebreather on. Alright, yeah.
It works.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, wait, what's up?
Timmy!
Dude, the guy's dead. Dude, he's dead!
Timmy. Oh my god, he's saved.
No, he's dead.
So what was the point of this?
Dude, he's clearly dead.
Wait, the Red Hulk.
I don't know, but he's dead.
He's alive.
No, he's dead!
Thank god we found him. Alright, let's get out of this shitty island.
He's ugly.
I have to do the boy.
He's dead, dude.
Oh boy.
Dude, he's dead. Can I drop him? His name is Blaster Boy. Blaster Boy 2.3! Do you want a Blaster Boy?
Yeah!
Well, little Timmy, let me tell you something. You're a bitch. How can I skip this gay ass cutscene, bro? This is weird. Why would I clone Timmy? Can I just kill this one? Come on, guys. 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 Come on, guys.
Hello, guys.
Hello, guys. Guys, relax. 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 Good boy.
Your teeth are falling. You're knocking your teeth out.
Good boy. I'm watching you. I'm watching you in the corner. Come on, boy.
That's me in the corner.
Bring it back now, y'all.
One hop this time.
I don't want to get close to that thing. Somebody made SpongeBob. Daddy.
Gonna look at you and jump.
Oh wait, she's covered in blood. She's gonna jump scare me, you said? Dude, if I get jump, why am I covered in Hulk? Dude, chill. Turn around. One hop this time.
Right foot, let's go.
Megan, you're covered in like lubricant.
Ew.
And what I hope is your blood. Ew, Megan. I got no legs. I got no legs. Oh shit, she's doing the Michael J. Fox.
Oh, imagine if that's with your dick. Remember?
No, dude, don't say that. What is that? It's like a spider. Oh, immediately. I did it.
How much pop does this thing have? Don't waste the gas! How much health does it have?
What happens when you die? Oh, easy dog! Yeah, oh, look at this testicles, wow. Oh, she's naked. No, she's actually covered in lube. She actually is. Alright, let me put her... Dude, this is fucked up. I don't want to do this. This is totally fucked.
What the fuck?
What?
Can I put her in?
Yeah, that's how I put her in. She's naked, which is weird. Ew. Life sample
Oh, it has to be
required.
alive. We gotta defibrillate her.
Can I put myself in there? So we gotta find a... Oh my god, is that G-Man? What? Oh! No, don't activate it. Wait, what is he doing? Wait, we're gonna shoot down a plane like Al-Qaeda? That's sick.
Planes in the area. It's like an EMP.
Dude, that's actually pretty cool. Oh my god, 9/11! No, dude, stop. Do you want me to beat the shit out of you?
Yeah.
Come here. Shut your bitch ass up! Oh, I'm the Joker! Oh, I'm the Joker.
Hold on now.
He's going like, thank you for that. I'm like, Goofy, shut your bitch ass up, Conan O'Brien.
You're gonna do him like the Joker?
Yeah, I'm dancing. Oh, I got an axe! I'm gonna kill you! Oh, it's a black guy. Oh, hello.
Okay, we've got a setup right over here.
I was trapped in an island, and you want me to chop wood for your fucking TV? I'm gonna chop this fucking guy's dick off. Oh, hilarious.
Here we go.
Am I gonna chop Timmy? What's going on?
Is he okay?
What? Oh yeah, he does that once in a while. Don't ignore it. You know, just don't pay attention to him. Don't pay attention to him. He's
I'm the attention right now.
yeah, he wants to be the center of attention. That little cuck.
Told you I had Parkinson's.
Can he just die? Like I said before, he should have just died.
Yeah.
There's the alcohol. Wait, what am I doing now?
Oh!
Ew. Oh no, dude, I know. Dude, that's...
Fuck.
No, just let it play out. Don't say anything. Just let it play out. Just let it play out. Just let it play out. He's gonna come out of my ass. Wait, I became the Mothman.